Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share some tips on how to get your business to the top of Google search results. If you want more customers finding you online, let's dive in. So first up, SEO or search engine optimization. Make sure your website has the right keywords that people are searching for. For example, if you run a bakery, include words like fresh bread, pastries, and best bakery in your city or in your local area. Also, do not forget to make sure your website looks good and works well on every device, especially on mobile device. Google ranks mobile-friendly sites higher, so make sure to optimize your website, especially for mobile user. Next is get listed on Google My Business. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business because it's free and can help your business show up in local searches. Don't forget to optimize your profile by adding accurate information like your address, your phone number, and business hours. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews. That could boost your business to the moon. And lastly, it's kind of cliche, but share your website content on social media platforms frequently. The more people see it, the more likely they are to link to it. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.